In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma for presentation. We'll walk through creating a polished deck from start to finish using Gamma's built-in AI, and I'll share simple tips to help you get clear, on-brand results fast. First, head to Gamma.app. On the homepage, click Sign Up or Log In, and sign in with your preferred method. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create New to start a project. This opens the workspace where all your presentations live. Next, choose how you want to begin. You'll see options to generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. For the quickest path, pick Generate with AI. You can always switch designs later, so don't overthink it at this stage. Now enter your topic. Type a concise prompt like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners, then click Generate. For stronger results, be specific about audience and intent, such as marketing strategy for small service businesses, 10 slides, beginner-friendly, action-focused. Gamma will draft an outline and build slides with initial content so you're not starting from scratch. Review and edit the slides that appear. Click any slide to edit text, tweak headers, or rewrite bullets. If a section isn't relevant, delete it. If you need more detail, add a new section. Drag slides to rearrange your story into a logical flow. As you go, check facts, tighten long sentences, and keep each slide focused on one idea. Customize the design to match your style. Open the theme or style panel to change overall look and layout. Adjust colors and fonts for consistency with your brand, and add images, icons, or short videos for visual interest. Aim for high contrast and limit yourself to 2 fonts to keep things clean and readable. If you want to expand the deck, click plus Add Card. You can insert text for deeper explanations, images, and videos to illustrate key points, charts to visualize data, and embeds for links or websites you want to show live. Keep slides concise and move details to supporting slides when needed. To refine wording with AI, highlight any text and open the AI options. Use Rewrite to change tone, expand to add depth, or simplify to make complex ideas easy to scan. Iterate until the voice and length feel right. When you're ready, click Present for slideshow mode. If you'd like others to see or co-edit, click Share to send a link and set viewing or collaboration access.